So we have another listing, guys, no? North Grove at Pristina Town. So this is a residential condominium located in Barangay Bakayan, Cebu City. Boundary of Talamban, Cebu City. Actually, ang uban mahingon nga Talamban eh. Pero in reality, nakita naman nato sa address, it's Bakayan, Talamban, Cebu City. Why Pristina Town? It is located at the Pristina Town. So, mao ni ang Pristina Town developed by Abuetes land. So, Abuetes ga develop ana. And there are two towers of this development. Lumina Tower, and which is the Tower 1, and Terra Tower, which is the Tower 2. Lumina Tower has 12 floors, 12 story, then with a total units of 386, and studio is 323 units, and one bedroom is 63 units. So parking slots na ay 87. Ang Terra Tower na ay which is the Tower 2 is 16 floors, then only studio units 643 nya. Parking is 100 slots. So all in all has 1,029 units and 187 ang parking slots. So nindot ni nga development, guys, kay elevated yun siya. Dili yun siya mabahaan. Then makaingon ta nga nindot ang living diri dapita, condo living, kay mura man siya o kanang ni, although center man gihapon, pero medyo dili kayo saba, dili kayo kuan sa kanang daghan gyapon mangagi diha, pero dili gyud totally, no? Kay ang moagi diha ang paingon raman sa Talamban ana, Bakayan ana ba, paingon sa Pitos. So daghan ko gyapon. Ang naka-advantage lang is elevated siya. So price range is 3.5 for studio, at to 4 million kape, no? Ang one bedroom na agad sa 6 million up to 8 million pesos. Reservation fee is 30,000 pesos. So nindot kayo sa condominium living. So pabor ni sa kadtong San Carlos University, North General Hospital, International Schools, Ateneo de Cebu. So daghan mga proximity diri, guys, nga mga nindot sad ang mga location, no? So mo na, no? So nindot kayo. So building features na retail spaces, separate and independent residential lobbies per tower, multiple passenger elevators per tower, interconnected amenity and communal areas, and dedicated pedestrian drop zones per tower, podium level retail and residential parking, sky garden decks, combinable units na pwede mag-combine. Gamyan ra kas studio ay combine nimo. Large windows for Lumina Tower, and hybrid balconies, one bedroom units, selected studio units of Lumina Tower. So garbage. So napay 100% backup power, 24/7 security and property management services. So daghan pa and many more. For inquiries, just contact me, and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.